Hi everyone, Tim from SmartFleet Drones here. And now that the Canada Niska 1 has a safety assurance declaration with Transport Canada, we need to talk about where can you fly it, especially beyond visual line of sight. So the safety assurance declaration we've got for the Canada Niska 1 is for standard 92208, which is containment, 92209 C2 command and control, and 92211 control station design. What about 92210 detect and avoid? So for the Canada Niska 1, the basic model, we're relying on Transport Canada's standard 923, which enables flying beyond visual line of sight with visual observers. And so what does that mean? What can you actually do with that? Is that going to get you very far? The answer is it gets you a long way. So we tested and we showed you the video. The Canada Niska 1 is capable of flying 12.5 kilometers. Well, under standard 923, you can actually only fly 7.4 kilometers away from the pilot. So you can technically fly further than you can legally fly anyway. So, but how far can you go if you can fly 7.4 kilometers? The first thing to know is that that's 7.4 kilometers away from the pilot. And that means 14.8 kilometers is in diameter, a circle, 14.8 kilometers away. Now you also need to have a visual observer. The visual observer needs to be no further than 2 nautical miles, 3.7 kilometers from the actual drone itself. When the Canada Niska 1's flying through the sky, you got to have a visual observer that's got to be able to see the airspace around and can be no further than 3.7 kilometers away from the actual drone itself. That's also an awful long distance. Take a look at this picture. You can see that, you know, with careful distribution of your visual observers, or put them in a truck and have them drive around, you could have the drone flying an awful long distance and covering, for example, a vast area of forest or wilderness or farmland, doing, for example, crop inspections or stock monitoring, wildlife surveys and counting, all kinds of possibilities in an absolutely huge area, 14.8 kilometers across. This is what you can do now with the Canada Niska 1, and stay tuned, we'll be updating with a full detect and avoid system coming soon. Tim from SmartFleet, over and out. If you like this video, please click the like button. Please consider subscribing so you don't miss any interesting videos in the future. And please share this video with others. It's really important. It helps me to keep this channel going.
The future of BVLOS commercial missions has arrived. Introducing the Canada Niska 1 VTOL, a complete ready-to-fly package engineered for the most demanding long-distance missions. With our exclusive Ardu pilot configuration in tune, you're not just flying, you're executing. Capturing stunning video in 4K on SD card and screen recording onto the controller up to 4 kilometers away with full FPV video and bidirectional telemetry. Unlock capabilities far beyond the horizon. With a flight range of 200 kilometers and up to 3 hours of endurance, Canada Niska 1 is built for expansive photogrammetry and critical inspections. It's the ultimate tool for commercial efficiency, reliability, and growth. The mission is waiting. The future is here. The solution is the Canada Niska 1. Canada Niska, proudly Canadian.